Welcome, today I am with GoPro Hero 10 Black and I will show you how we can turn on or turn off LED lights. So at first we have to open our notification panel, then slide to the right side and go for the preferences. Next, we have to simply go for the general settings, scroll down and find LEDs. Click here. As you can see, all LED are turned on. If you want to turn off only front, just select this option. If you want to turn off all of LED lights, just select this second option, and right now they are turned off. So as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.